You're on an adventure of a lifetime, capturing amazing moments, but when you play back the footage, it's shaky, blurry, and just doesn't do justice to your experience. We've all been there. That's why today, we're exploring the ultimate vlogging cameras that promise to bring your stories to life. Coming in at number 5, the Insta360 Ace Pro makes a compelling case for itself, especially with its ultra-wide-angle lens co-engineered with the iconic Leica. At the heart of the camera lies a larger sensor than what you'd find in many action cameras. When combined with the image processing chip, it offers a major boost in low-light performance. The Ace Pro is also pushing the boundaries with its 8K capability, although this resolution's not very practical due to the large file sizes and the substantial processing power required for editing. The 4K, which not only delivers great image quality, but can also reach higher frame rates, will be the sweet spot for most users. Design-wise, the camera has some thoughtful features tailored for vloggers like the rear touchscreen that flips 180 degrees. When it comes to audio, the Ace Pro's internal microphone is decent, with a wind reduction feature that's handy in breezy conditions. The Insta360 app complements the camera beautifully, offering a platform for editing and enhancing your footage. Features like the AI Warp can add dynamic effects to your videos through preset or custom keywords. Its water resistance and rugged form factor make the Ace Pro ideal for adventure vloggers. Next, we have the Sony ZV-1 II, which maintains many of the beloved features of its predecessor while introducing enhancements that cater to the needs of content creators. Its sensor enables crisp, detailed 4K videos. Unfortunately, this resolution's capped at 30 frames per second, meaning that for slow-motion footage, you'll have to step down to 1080p. Complementing the sensor is the Zeiss lens, a hallmark of quality when it comes to optics. It spans from an 18mm wide angle, perfect for landscapes and selfie shots, to a 50mm, ideal for portraits and close-ups. The flip-out screen ensures you're always in frame, while the top-mounted microphone captures clear and focused audio. It can conveniently switch from all directions to only capturing sound in the front when a human face is detected in frame. The camera boasts several features tailored for content creation. The bokeh switch and product showcase settings allow for a blurred background and seamless focus transitions. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, bridging the gap for those accustomed to smartphones. It's worth noting that the original ZV-1 still stands as a viable alternative. It offers a similar form factor and many of the same features at a lower price point. However, the wider lens, improved touchscreen functionality, and additional creative settings of the Mark II provide a more versatile and user-friendly experience. At the third spot, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 embodies the essence of a point-and-shoot camera with the added benefits of a gimbal. DJI has truly outdone itself 3 years after the release of its predecessor, the Pocket 2. The larger 1-inch sensor represents a leap forward, taking the image quality to new heights, especially in low-light conditions. A notable improvement is the device's new screen that ingeniously flips sideways, enabling easy switching between landscape and portrait modes. This feature, along with the camera's advanced subject tracking and quick autofocus, make it incredibly user-friendly for creators of all skill levels. The inclusion of 4K 120 frames per second and D-Log allows for creative flexibility and beautiful visuals. The Pocket 3 offers 3 distinct modes for its gimbal. Follow mode ensures the camera smoothly tracks your movements, perfect for dynamic scenes. Tilt lock keeps the camera fixed on one axis, ideal for cinematic sweeps. FPV mode, on the other hand, embraces the natural movements of the operator for a first-person perspective, adding an immersive, energetic feel to footage. The battery life is equally impressive, offering up to 135 minutes of shooting time on a single charge. With its fixed wide-angle lens, the Pocket 3 may have some limitations, but as a carry-anywhere device that brings professional-grade stabilization and image quality to the palm of your hand, it's unmatched. At number 2, the Fujifilm XS20 introduces significant enhancements, solidifying its position as a standout in its class. The redesigned grip is larger to accommodate the new, beefier battery. Despite this addition, the camera maintains a lightweight profile at just 17 ounces, striking a good balance between usability and portability. It features the X-Trans 26-megapixel sensor, a proven performer across several Fujifilm models, producing images that are rich and vibrant. A key feature of the XS20 is its upgraded processor, which improves autofocus and adds advanced subject detection modes for animals and vehicles. The ability to record at 6.2K resolution offers more post-production flexibility and puts the XS20 on par with professional cinema cameras that are often much more expensive and bulkier. And if you prefer not to delve into complex color grading, the XS20 offers Fujifilm's renowned film simulations for both photo and video, providing a range of preset looks straight out of the camera. It also introduces a user-friendly vlog mode on the mode dial, simplifying operations like background defocus and focus switching when presenting a product. The in-body image stabilization does a good job in stationary or slow-moving scenarios, although some limitations appear when the camera's used more aggressively. And finally, at number 1, the ZV-E1 is Sony's most portable full-frame camera to date. It produces clean, high-quality stills and impressive 4K video, which can be cranked up to 120 frames per second, giving slow-motion enthusiasts plenty to work with. Its excellent low-light capabilities make it perfect for everything from moonlit scenes to dim indoor settings. The picture profiles provide videographers with creative flexibility and ease in post-production. Notably, S-Cinetone offers a ready-to-publish look that saves time and effort for creators who prefer to focus more on content than color grading. Elevating the handheld video experience, the camera introduces dynamic stabilization, a step above the conventional active stabilization. This feature significantly reduces the shake from walking, closely mimicking the smoothness achieved with gimbals. When it comes to audio, its built-in microphone automatically adjusts its pickup pattern to focus on the subject, whether in front or behind the camera. Regarding battery performance, the camera uses the same high-capacity battery as Sony's flagship models, allowing for up to 95 minutes of 4K video recording or 570 photos on a single charge. The ZV-E1 is for vloggers who require a reliable, feature-rich device that enhances their creative expression without complicating the shooting process. Its combination of exceptional image quality, autofocus, and stabilization makes it a top-tier choice for anyone serious about content creation. That wraps up the video. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.